Leaders Dunbeholden stretched their unbeaten run to 8 matches in the Jamaica Premier League, having edged the Malines United 2-1 in the Monday night game in the competition played at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex.
The last time that Dunbeholden lost a match, it was on February 28 to Arnett Gardens. Since then, they have registered 7 wins and a draw. Their latest win came against Malines United, which kept them out of the clutches of the onrushing Waterhouse. Dunbeholden got a perfect start against Malines as it took them just 3 minutes to break the deadlock. Peter McGregor, with goal number 5 of the season, sent them on their way. Goal number 5 turned 6 as the former McGraw High standout was added again to make it 2-0 in the 18th minute. Jaheim Paris gave Malines hope in the 24th minute when he cut the deficit, but it counted for little as they suffered their 9th defeat of the season. Waterhouse, who led the league earlier in the season, continued to keep their eyes on the summit with a 3-0 win over Portmore United. It was the late show for Waterhouse as they were kept out by Portmore for 66 minutes until Shaquille Bradford broke their resistance. 6 minutes later, it was all over for Portmore as Cardell Benbow punished them further to make it 2-0. That was Benbow's 8th goal of the season, and he notched the 9th in the 77th minute to push Waterhouse to 35 points, 2 behind Dunbeholden with 7 matches to go in the regular season. Benbow is now a goal behind leading scorer Atafaroy Bygrave, who has so far hit the net on 10 occasions. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.